What is up, guys? Jerry here, back with another video. Today we actually have something pretty cool. We have this Honda Accord. I actually just replaced the VTEC solenoid on it. If you guys know Joey, this is his Accord. Now we actually got to go ahead and do the front end suspension work. I have a whole box in here. Let's see if the rear hatch opens. Look at the little chickens. Yeah, it's not gonna open. Yeah, so we got a whole front end kit for this Honda Accord. Pretty much sway bar links, upper control arms, everything, pretty much everything. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Need to take out the old gem. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get today's video started. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the Beamer. I'm gonna see, you guys want to hear a cold start? I'll put you guys down. Let me turn the lights on. Let me turn the lights on in here. Ooh, yes, but let's go ahead and get a cold start going on the Beamer. She sounds rowdy, guys, in the morning. I want to hear it in the winter. I still haven't heard it in the winter because, you know, the exhaust is going to be cold and all that. That's going to be a real cold start. But let's go ahead and start it up. This thing is so dumb loud in the morning. It's so crazy. Well, I mean, I kind of enjoy it. I kind of like it. Focus. Focus. Alright, focus. But, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Honda in here. So we can go ahead and get right on that car. We're going to go ahead and get the front end lined up. It needs it. It needs it bad. Really. It really smells like straight fumes in here. I'm weak. But let's go ahead and get started, guys. I'm gonna need to definitely jack it up. I feel like this side is definitely worse because it's rubbing. It's rubbing on something. Apart from the actual tire being flat, but it's actually rubbing on something. I'm not sure what yet. Alright guys, so this side is looking rowdy. This is my biggest concern, this upper control arm, just because of the tight spaces that are in between there. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so pretty much so far I've taken out the tie rod end to the spindle. I've loosened this bolt up right here for this upper control arm. Now I'm trying to hit the lower control arm so it actually knocks off this knuckle. It's being stubborn, so you gotta keep on trying. But I'll pick you guys right back up in the next clip, alright? Alright guys, so pretty much I can't seem to separate this lower ball joint right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. This one right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually go to AutoZone and I'm gonna try to go ahead and get the ball joint separator tool. They're only like 30 bucks. It'll save me a bunch of time and it'll help me out for the other side. So if that can work out, it'll work out perfect for me. Guys, keep in mind, it's better to have all the tools you need than to be struggling and wasting time. Alright? Guys, she's looking crazy clean today. For real. Alright guys, so we got the tool, ball joint separator. This is what I needed. Hopefully this will make the job so much easier. Guys, I freaking love this car. It just looks so good. Alright guys, so we made it back. Like I said, we got the tool. Turn these lights back on. Yes sir. But yeah, let's try this out. Let's try this out. Hopefully this works perfectly fine. The one I got is pretty much, you know, the basic standard one, but it looks like it is gonna work. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so pretty much everything on this side is tidied up. New lower control arm, new sway bar links, new upper control arm on it. And then we are missing the inner tie rod and the outer tie rod just because the kit that the customer bought was not actually the right one. It didn't fit, it didn't threads inside for the inner tie rod, so that's not gonna work. We're gonna have to go ahead and get some new tie rods. There's some new inner tie rods and outer tie rods apart from that kit, but everything else fits perfectly fine. I'm currently working on the other side right now. Got the upper control arm on. I bolted in the lower control arm. Now we just need to bring it up and get this ball joint on there as well.